Hi, my name's Sharon Lim. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're doing this lovely fun twist fold. Plenty of room to write. And it does fit in an A2 envelope. I had a lot of leftover of these cutouts from the Lovely Blossoms DSP, so I decided to use them all in my next class. So let's get started. So you're going to start with a card base, and let me just show you the template. It's a little hard with the darker one, but you start with 8 1/4 by 5 1/2, and you want to score it 2 3/4 and 5 1/2, and then diagonals the same direction this way. Then you're going to mark 1 1/8 on this end and this end, and cut from this score to the mark, and that's what makes those cuts right there. For the front, you do the exact same thing with the 5 1/2 by 2 3/4. Mark it again at 1 1/8 and 1 1/8, and cut this way and this way. Then we're going to cut this to fit here on the front flap in a bit. The inside goes right here, 5 1/2 by 2 3/4, and then here's the little bit of the Lovely Blossoms that I had. So you can pause for the measurements. And then we get them out of the way. We're going to go ahead and fold. So it goes this way into thirds, and then this way and this way. So that makes that lovely center part. Burnish them really well. So I'm going to go bring my trimmer on, because I need to cut this from here to here. You can still see my pencil marks here, so I'll just erase that right there real quick. Bring my trimmer in and double check that that's the direction you need it. And remember the tip for doing something corner to corner, you actually want to start in the middle so you don't smooch your corners. And there you go. Alright, I'm going to bring my silicone mat here, because we're going to break out some glue. Don't want to get it on my surface. Very tight. Look, and if you don't have like a picture of this, you can also cut a smaller piece. That would be 5 1/4 by 2 1/2. It's for another layer. It could be a DSP, it could be another piece of cardstock. I just wanted to use the rest of those already die cut. So that's that. Then some more glue on the middle. You could put a sentiment on there too. I'm just going to leave it blank. I like writing in my cards, so I like plenty. Most of the cards I make are plain on the inside. I'm going to test that out. Did that work? It's a little slight edge, but that's okay. Alright, and then you're going to want to adhere it here. It's a little off, but I'm just going to cut that edge right there. But you only want to glue it on one side. So I'm going to put my finger here, and the glue here. Did I do that right? Yes. Yes, I did. So it was off a little bit. So I'll put some more glue on this side. Always this the part that you're going to cover. Never put it on this side, because otherwise you're going to get it oozing. Just like that. So I use that. And then the edge down here. And that is it, folks. I think the last time I glue. Then, just to make it, actually I think it's okay. I was going to cut off the corners, but I think it's not sticking out. This one's sticking out just a little bit, so I'll just trim it a little. But that is it. What do you think of this fun fold? Here's one version. And here's the other. And again, they do fit in A2. So thanks for letting me share this with you. Please be sure to like, comment, and or subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you'll see many more of these video tutorials. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.